Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine MB effectively. L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative that plays a crucial role in energy production. It helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. This process is vital for fat metabolism and can support your overall fitness journey. Understanding its function is the first step to proper use. For optimal results, consider taking your L-Carnitine MB about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. This timing allows it to be readily available when your body needs to utilize fat for energy. Pairing it with a meal that includes some carbohydrates can also enhance its absorption and effectiveness. Consistency is key, so consider daily intake. When it comes to dosage, a typical effective range for L-Carnitine is between 1,000 milligrams and 3,000 milligrams per day. It's often wise to begin with a lower dose, such as 1,000 milligrams, to see how your body responds. You can then gradually increase it if needed, always staying within recommended guidelines for safety and efficacy. To truly maximize the benefits of L-Carnitine MB, integrate it into a holistic approach. This means combining your supplement intake with a balanced, nutritious diet and a consistent exercise routine. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also essential. Remember, consistent use over several weeks is typically required to observe the most significant and lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.